For over 6 decades, Better Engineering has been a trusted name in automated cleaning technology, designing, building, and supporting high-performance systems built to last. The C-75 Cyberjet system shown here was custom engineered for a global chemical and materials manufacturer, demonstrating our expertise in precision design, modular construction, and turnkey automation. This dual-lane, fully automated conveyor washer is engineered to clean drums, lids, and rings with precision and reliability. Constructed from 304 stainless steel, the system reflects our commitment to durability and performance through sound engineering. It features 4 integrated modules, 2 recirculated caustic wash stages followed by 2 rinse stages, delivering consistent, repeatable cleaning results with every cycle. The system is designed for 2-minute cycles in continuous operation, ensuring that every drum, lid, and ring meets exact cleanliness standards. At the heart of the system are dual conveyor lanes, each powered by its own gear-driven motor for precise, independent control. One lane is dedicated to drums, which are inverted to allow complete internal and external cleaning. The second lane processes lids and rings in series, their position maintained and stabilized by fluid dynamics and controlled spray patterns throughout the system. Fiber optic sensors and independent drive systems allow parts to index and pause at precise points along the conveyor, ensuring accurate positioning for the spinning nozzle assemblies that clean the interior of each drum. 3 vertical partition doors, powered by IP66 rated electronic actuators, isolate each spray zone and prevent cross-contamination between wash and rinse stages. Beneath the system, an automatic sludge removal pump continuously extracts sediment and debris from the tank bottom, returning filtered solution back to the wash tank for consistent performance and reduced maintenance. The entire system is engineered for washdown rated environments, featuring NEMA 4X control enclosures and wireways that protect all electrical components from moisture and corrosion. Fully enclosed pumps, gear motors, and bearings safeguard against contamination and streamline routine maintenance. A rear-mounted catwalk provides safe, convenient access to critical components, ensuring that inspections and service can be performed quickly and efficiently. Every detail reflects our commitment to reliability, safety, and serviceability. We are designers, fabricators, controls specialists, and system integrators, building world-class cleaning systems right here in Joppa, Maryland. The C-75 Cyberjet exemplifies turnkey automation, combining dual-lane precision, modular flexibility, and robust stainless steel construction to deliver the cleanliness, performance, and quality our customers demand. Clean, perform, excel, our way.